Welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today, Josh, we're talking about a really cool thing. This is an upgrade that you can get for your garage. This is the Chamberlain myQ Smart Garage Door Hub.
That's right.
Talk to me about it.
And you know I'm not a big techie guy, but what I really...
What are you talking about? You love gadgets.
Well, I'm starting to get into the gadgets, but I thought this is really cool and we should talk about it because this is something you can add to your garage door opener. I'd say to about 90% of them since 1986, you can add this to it. I would check to make sure it's compatible, but this is a hub that wirelessly works with your Wi-Fi. Then it wirelessly works with the opener, as well as it's got a sensor that goes on the door. So pretty much anywhere in the world, as long as you got Wi-Fi, you can tell if your garage door is open or closed. It'll give you notifications and statuses about your garage door. That's what's really cool. It does require a 110, but that's usually up by the opener anyways.
I mean, that's like a small price to pay. Like this is an upgrade for your garage door. And going all the way back to, was it 86?
1986 and current, about 90% of them from there.
Right. Can you check on their website?
Yeah, go on their website, check it out, make sure it's compatible. But it's really cool because you don't have to go to a new garage door opener with them coming out with this. Also, it's got a, it makes noise and flashes the light as it opens and closes for kids and the ADA stuff. So it's really cool.
Yeah, that's really awesome. So that's like a pretty reasonable upgrade for your garage door without having to go all the way and get a new smart garage door opener.
And I mean, we're talking about $80 here.
Yeah,
I mean that's not. I mean,
that's way less than the cost of a new garage door, opener.
Yeah.
So where do you get it? $80?
So anywhere online. Just look online, you'll find them. They're all over the place. And there is, these are compatible too with the Google Home things and stuff.
Sure. Oh yeah, you can put it into your, make it talk
I'm not
to
that
your,
techie yet.
to
I'm
your
not
smart
that techie.
home. Yeah, well, I'm not either, but maybe I will be now.
Yeah.
So this is it's the Chamberlain myQ Smart Garage Door Hub. Costs about $80. You can just search for it online. It'll get you there.
Super cool.
Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.